If you want the solution on stuttering, stammering, and a speech problem, then my promise is this is the video that you should not ignore at any cost, because I am sharing all those useful practical steps, starting with the practices, implementation, mindset, and everything that you will not find in any other YouTube video. This is my promise. And I'm sharing everything which I know. So in this video, I don't have any script, but I have a presentation, a best presentation that I created with the intention to help each and every individual who stutter. This presentation will provide you all those important steps and technique which every person should know. So before I start this video, this is my promise that it will save your time. You don't need to invest in a expensive speech therapy, and you can even solve your speech problem from home itself. This is my promise before we start this video. So the topic of this video is living stutter free journey, and I will provide you all those steps which will help you to reach to the stutter free life. So why you should watch my video and who I am. So first of all, I also had a stuttering or a speech problem from my childhood, and now I speak over a stage. I consider myself as a public speaker. I don't stammer, I don't stutter on a single word. I even don't practice regularly. Even I stopped practice few years before, and still I'm speaking very fluently. So this video recording I'm doing, uh, you will notice my speech fluency till the end, that there is no retake, there is no editing. This is just a video start, and I'm speaking in front of camera the same I speak in front of stage, sorry, in front of audience or a stage or a call, everywhere. Till now I help lot of people. I publish book on speech. I help people through Zoom session. I uploaded lot of testimonials. uh, I help people to overcome their stuttering. I uploaded their before after videos on my different YouTube channel, which is in Hindi language. And this channel is dedicated for English people who understand only English. And this is my first video on this YouTube channel. So, as per the research, total 1% of people stutter. And if you are watching this video, high chances are you also stutter. It means if you're watching me till now, I know you have a stammering or a speech problem and you are looking for a solution. You need the valuable content. You need those technique which will help you, and I will share everything in this video. So I am revealing every secret I know about cure and how I am living stutter free life. Now there might be chance you have a doubt in your mind, as there is no cure, and how I am saying here that I will help you with the stutter cure. There is lot of discussions about this word cure, that people find there is no cure, but I personally experience that I don't stammer or a stutter, and I had a severe stuttering issue from my childhood, but now I don't stammer or a stutter. So I consider this word as a cure is a promising word, or I can say it is an example. I'm the example in front of you that this problem can be curable, although it is not a disease, but the word itself shows that yes, this problem can be solved very easily. Because some people think this is something like a neurological problem, some people think this is something like a psychological problem, but trust me, it is not. I help more than 1,000 people till now, and I can tell you one thing: if I can do it, you can also do it. And if you think this is not curable, I'm sharing some false promises, then I request you to please stop this video, watch something else, because you are not a person to whom I should help, because you don't think stammering or stuttering can be curable. So whatever I will share in future slides, so it will be irrelevant for you, and you will watch my video with doubtful mind. So it's better that you will save your time now and watch something else. But if you think that if you are serious about this problem, then please watch video till the end, and you will find something valuable here itself. So I will share with you all those steps which will help you to cure your stuttering. So I'm 33 year now, and I overcame it at the age of 21, means I'm enjoying speech freedom from last 12 years. Yes, I don't practice from last 12 years. I'm 33 now. From last 12 years, I'm speaking over a stage, over a call in front of stranger. I don't practice, and still I am enjoying this fluency. I don't practice. Even people I helped, they also don't practice anymore, and still we speak fluently. So let's deep down into the ocean of knowledge about best and easy solutions to solve your stuttering from home. Yes, you don't need to go outside to solve your speech problem. You can easily solve your speech problem from home itself. Even I will not waste your time sharing false motivation, but the real tips and techniques which are proven, and this is my promise. I don't make videos just for a view. I make video to help people. My only intention to make such a videos are to help all those people in this world who stutter, who stammer, and my videos might be helpful for them. And my promise to you, when you subscribe to my channel or when you watch my other videos, you will find all my videos are valuable. They will not waste your time, but it is although the content which are very practical than other YouTube videos. I don't want to compare myself with other people, but this is my first video, and this is my promise that you will find everything practical in this YouTube channel. The channel name is 180 days challenge. Then yes, if you are serious, then just give me your 180 days. Be with me in those 180 days, and I will change your life forever. This is my promise again. So there are three important factors in this journey. And if you already took a speech therapy, if you already took a training from someone, then there might be some confusion in your mind. I'm just telling you this three simple technique, this three simple, I can say, the steps. So identify problem, implementation, and mindset and manifest. So if you just follow all these 3 points only, I can tell you with my guarantee that you don't need to take any expensive therapy, or you don't even need to join any training. Just follow these three simple steps. Identify problem, you need to identify your real problem behind your stuttering. Implementation, how you should implement all those steps or a technique in real life. And mindset and manifest concept. So let me help you one by one with all these steps. So remember, I will not give you some uh, concept which will confuse you. I will help you here with a simple logic here. Identify problem, implementation, and mindset. So let's discuss the first topic, that is identify problem. My first concept here is stuttering is not a real problem. Yes, you heard it right. If you think stuttering is a problem, then I can tell you stuttering is not a real problem. There is something, there is some other problem which is real, I can say, problem behind your stuttering. So if 100 people stutter, you find they stutter in a similar way, but behind it, there is a past, there is a history. Some people stutter because of anxiety, some people stutter because of speed, some people stutter because of self doubt. There might be reason, multiple reason why you stutter. And even stuttering, whatever you see as a stuttering, is not a real problem. Stuttering is not a real problem, stuttering is just a visible problem. And behind those visible problem there is an invisible problem that you should identify. And the first topic that we are discussing now is the identify problem. I can say identify real problem. So stuttering is not a real problem, something else is a real problem. So let's imagine, or let's take an example of iceberg. So whatever part of iceberg is visible, we called it as a stuttering, and whatever part is invisible, we called it as a root cause. Yes, there is a concept called as a root cause, and if you identify your root cause, my promise to you is you can easily solve this problem. So to identify your root cause, you should understand a concept called as a cause and effect. So there is a concept called as a cause and effect. For every effect or a result, there is a cause or action. So your stuttering is a effect or a result, whereas it has a cause. It means you stutter because of some reason. You don't stutter when you are alone, but you stutter in real life because of some reason or some action. So, those actions, those reasons are the real problem. Stuttering is just a byproduct here. When you speak in real life, you stutter because of some reason. So, identifying those reasons are very important. I can tell you, if you're watching this video, so my basic question to you is, if you are alone at home and if you have some difficult word, if you speak those words when you are alone, you don't stutter. But when you go outside in front of people, the same word is difficult for you to pronounce or to speak out. Why? Because the word is not a problem, the word come out through you easily when you are alone. But in real life, the anxiety behind the word that I might stutter is a real problem. So the anxiety, the self doubt, or I can say the breathing change or the speed increases can be the reason behind your stuttering. So you need to identify those reasons, and to identify those reasons are very important. It means in this journey of identifying your stuttering root causes, just take an example of doctor and a patient. If you are a patient, you are having a stuttering problem, so then take a new character inside you, that is a doctor. Imagine you are a doctor. Ask yourself some questions. So, why you stammer or you stutter when you are alone, and why you don't stammer? Why you don't stammer when you are alone, but why you stammer or a stutter when you are in front of someone? So, ask such a questions, and these questions can help you to identify those reasons, and those reasons are very important. So I hope you are getting this point of identify your root causes. So you don't stutter while singing. Yes, people don't stutter, don't stammer while singing, and there is a reason. You don't stutter when alone most of the time, and there is a reason. So if fluency has a reason, then stuttering also has a reason. I'm repeating this sentence again. If fluency has a reason, if you are a fluent person in some situation, if fluency has a reason, then stuttering is also has a reason. Identifying those reasons or those actions are very important. But you stutter in some specific situation or in front of specific person. For example, your cause might be avoiding situation, taking people's feedback, or taking people's conversation seriously, and always thinking about what if I stutter, and its effect is you become introvert and started stuttering. There might be chances in your childhood you were speaking very fluent, but suddenly through age became introvert person and you develop your stuttering. You might experience that it was not there by birth, but with the age you develop it through your friend or because of your self doubt about your speech. So there is a cause and there is a effect. So this is the basic example. There can be a lot of other example also. So recall your memories and see from when you started stuttering or you take it seriously. My experience till now with the people who stutter, to whom I help to overcome their speech problem, is they started stuttering at particular age because of some bad speech experience, because of their self doubt, or because they develop a different speech pattern. So I need to recall your memories in the past and see from when you started this speech problem, or you take this problem very seriously. You might find people around you, they stammer, they stutter on, let's say, one word out of 100 word, and then they don't take it seriously. But you took it seriously maybe few years before, and now this problem becomes severe for you. It was not before. It means your stammering or stuttering has a memory. You created it because you take it seriously. So your stuttering has a history. Yes, your stuttering has a history, and your stuttering is not a real problem. The reason behind is a real problem, and it's all started inside your mind. And trust me, everyone watching my videos till now, and if you are getting convinced with my words, my promise is this is not a physical problem. It's all started inside your mind itself. Whatever you think, you become. You are stuttering, you are stammering, you had inside your mind, and now it becomes your reality. So your mind plays a game of comfort. Your mind doesn't want you to be in a danger zone. It puts you in a survival mode by default because it is a place where you are safer. So from childhood, remember yourself. The people who don't stammer now because in past they took a action to face it, now they are enjoying the fluency. Whereas you on the other side, you avoid those situations because your mind want you to be in a comfort zone or secure zone. So your mind always uh, provide you the excuses why you should not speak outside, why you should not face the situation. And when you accept those reasons and you don't go outside in real life, there is a problem with your mind, because your mind want you to be in a safe and secure zone, and those uncomfort zone are like a danger zone for your mind. Yes, and you also notice some people nearby in your city, they had a stammering or a stuttering in their past. They took a action to face it daily, and now they are speaking very fluently. But on the other side, you as an example, you don't took any I can say you don't face any situation, and now you are in the situation of stuttering. So till now I think you have learned about the identifying the real problem. So ask yourself this question: if you don't stutter when alone, then why you stutter in real life? It means you are playing two character. One is a fluent speaker and one is a stammerer or a stutterer. Because you are alone, you speak fluent. You are outside, you stutter. It's because of your mind. When you are alone, your mind is comfortable, you are relaxed, your body, your breathing is relaxed, and you speak very fluent. Whereas in real life, when you go outside, you imagine yourself that you might stutter, and it happens, it creates a reality. So alone, there is no one to judge. You are truly yourself, but in real life, you speak as the way people speak. So identify your real problem behind stuttering and work on it. So before even you start practicing, before even you start watching other videos, and before even you start wasting your time and effort on a YouTube, this is my first promise. This is my first uh, suggestion to you is first identify your problem behind your speech and work on it. So we have a course for a community member, and the course name is Identify Speech Root Causes. This course is dedicated to identify your root causes behind stuttering. So we have a community name as a Stuttering Cure community on a school platform, and I uploaded a course there name as a Identify Speech Root Causes. So it has a total content of 2 hours. You will find everything that you should know before you identify root causes, starting from identifying your stuttering pattern, identify your fluency pattern, then how to diagnose your root causes. I provide 3 live demo of a client where I showed a video and I explained how to identify your root causes. I shared 40 questions in that course, and also I shared the solution to how to replace your stutter pattern with the fluency pattern, and everything that you should know before you start your journey to overcome your speech problem. This is the video course for you, and this video course is free for everyone. You just need to check the school.com stuttering cure community and request that to join. When you join, when you become our member, community member, you can explore this course for free. And when you explore it and when you watch those videos, it will help you to solve the first question inside your mind: how I can identify my root causes. And you should check out this community. Now the next important uh, point here after the identify problem is the implementation. Now trust me, the way I will explain the implementation uh, is having a different logic, and I want you to listen to this topic very carefully, because identify a problem required different mindset, whereas implementation required different mindset. So implementation has 4 stages. No one has teach you till now on YouTube about implementation, but I will teach you with a simple word, with a simple practical approach about how you can start implementation, get the best result using just 4 stages. So these 4 stages are mind stage, muscle stage, ear stage, and eye stage. So let's discuss one by one. First is a mind implementation. What is mind implementation? You stutter first inside mind, then in reality. And you should listen to me carefully now with this point. What happens with you when you go outside, you stutter. But before you stutter in reality, the same word it stutter inside your mind. When you think about the word, you started having this anxiety before even you speak out. It means the stuttering is first inside your mind. You need to clear your stuttering from your mind, and this technique, this first stage of a implementation called as a mind implementation, it means before even you speak out in real life, before even you practice in front of stranger, first of all practice inside your mind. clear your thoughts of speaking, because if the words are clear here, it comes out very clear. And if the words are having a problem here, then all the technique will be waste for you if your thoughts is not clear. So mind implementation means you need to clear your thoughts. So clear your self talk and mind script. Okay, I will also explain some important point here if you are still confused. So let's take an example. Let's take a sentence called as a my name is and your name. So my name is Ankush Pare. So when I think about this sentence in my mind, I should think every word very clearly. My name is Ankush Pare. And if the words is not coming clearly, if the word is having some anxiety with it, then you should clear it inside your mind itself. It means clear your self talk, clear your thought inside mind. This is the stage where you don't need to go outside, just sit at home, relax, think about some sentences, and listen to your sentences clearly. If it is not coming clear, repeat it again and again. So, this is the first concept about the implementation. The next implementation is a muscle implementation. So, muscle has a memory, mouth, tongue, and lips. Let me help you one more time. So after the mind implementation, your thoughts are clear. Then comes this muscles where your mouth is there, your tongue is there, your lips are there, your teeth is there. So when you speak some words, this muscles is using. You are using your muscles, and those words which you hide normally or on which you have a speech problem, if you notice, your muscles are not developed for that word because you hide those word multiple time. There is no or less experience about those words. So the next implementation is muscle implementation. How you will apply it? Very simple. You need to close your eyes, take your difficult word, put it inside your mouth, but don't speak out with the sound. You just need to check your muscles. So, whatever words you need to speak, just check your tongue rotation, check your mouth opening, check your lips momentum, and just help your mind to understand the muscles. It means the more you repeat your muscles, it will create a memory. Every muscle, your muscles has a memory, so when you repeat those muscles again and again, it creates a memory. So after the mind implementation, muscles implementation is also very important, and it has mouth, tongue, and lips. So repetition is the key for the muscles. Third is the ear implementation. So word which never get heard, stutter when speak for the first time. So the best example for this, imagine you never heard of a Japanese word and you heard it for the first time. What will happen? When you want to repeat it after you hear it for the first time, the chances are you will not speak that word very clearly as compared to the native Japanese person. Why? Because you have heard this sound for the first time. And same is true with your stammering problem. So when you hide your words from many years, and your experience for those words about listening through your mouth are very less, and which also create a problem in your life. But when you speak those words through your mouth and you listen to your word again and again, then your ear also has a memory of listening those words while speaking, and it will help you to it will help you to overcome your speech problem. So the next concept is a ear implementation. Ear implementation says speak your difficult word and give your ear a listening experience. So when you listen, it creates a memory of listening, means it help your mind to tell that you are speaking those words. So after you speak inside your mind, you focus on your muscles practice, then you speak those words at home alone, no problem, and you listen to the sentence. It helps you with the implementation. Now the last we have in a implementation, sorry, so the in a ear implementation, your starting word has a less or no experience with a self listening. So last concept is a eye implementation. So we have eye implementation also. So eyes work as an input for a brain. Face real life, speak the word without stuttering, and it will create a good memory. Now this concept is different from all three concepts. So imagine you are at home, you are listening to, you are speaking your word, your sentence inside your mind, it becomes clear. Then you use your muscles, you started speaking your words without sound through your muscles, it also get clear with the muscle practice. Now you speak those words through your mouth and you listen to the word, and now you can understand, okay, this is the sound of this difficult word, I got it, it is through my mouth. Last concept is a ear eyes implementation. You need to go out, you need to face a stranger, I need to speak those difficult word in front of those stranger, and then it will help you with your eyes implementation. So this is the eye implementation concept, where you are going out and you are uh, helping your mind to understand that you are speaking in real life. So this is the eye implementation concept. So this was the eyes implementation which you should follow in real life. So when you go in real life and face people, your eyes will have a memory that you spoke there without stammering, without stuttering, and this will help you. So the last we have is a mindset and manifest. So identifying problem was important, implementation is important, and a mindset manifest is also important. So if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. In this journey of stuttering, overcome stuttering, solve. If you think you can't overcome your stuttering, then this mindset will not help you to overcome it. If you think you can overcome, then this mindset will help you to overcome it. So first thing is a mindset that you should have. Remember, you speak fluent when you are in a comfort zone, and you stutter when you are in an uncomfort zone. It means you have a two types of zone. One is a comfort zone, one is a uncomfort zone. Uncomfort zone is a bigger circle, whereas comfort zone is a small circle. So your friend, your home, your family member comes under comfort zone, whereas all those situations where you stutter comes under the uncomfort zone. And you need to explain, you need to expand your comfort zone till it becomes your uncomfort zone. It means you need to go outside in real life and repeat your experience again and again, so that all this uncomfort zone becomes your comfort zone. And the last concept that I would like to share with you, that from now onward, start speaking this sentence inside your mind, which will change your mindset for sure. You need to say your name. Let's say your name is Ankush Pare. So Ankush Pare is the best effective speaker in the world. Consider this as a mantra from my side. Consider this as a sentence, a positive sentence or affirmation sentence. Put it inside your mind, repeat it whole day whenever possible, and this sentence alone will help you to change your mindset. I personally followed this sentence, it helped me a lot. I asked my client to follow the sentence, it helped them a lot. I'm also sharing with you the same sentence. Say this sentence inside your mind, and it will help you a lot in this journey of stuttering cure. So we have a dedicated community for stuttering cure on school platform. The links I will share in a description box. Subscribe to this channel. In case you need more help, you are still confused about this video, please ask me your question in a comment box. uh, I will upload a video very soon on this channel. The channel name is Stutter Cure 180 Days Challenge, and trust me, this 180 days with me will change your life. I'm more active on this community. We have a dedicated community where I go live there. I discuss with my members. You will find a lot of free courses, home exercises. We have a practice platform which each member there you will find all the help and support. And this is a dedicated community. There is no spam, only serious people will join. We have full control over the community, and if you join the community, this will be the best ever choice you will have, this community itself will help you. You will not able, yeah, you will not, you don't need to invest in a speech therapy, expensive speech therapy. Just join this community, and trust me, this community alone will help you to solve your speech problem. So I hope I tried my best from my side on how you can solve your stuttering and live stutter free life. I know this video alone will not help you to solve your speech problem. I need to upload a lot of videos on this topic, because this topic is more, I can say it's an ocean, and I have a knowledge, and I will try my best to upload this knowledge through these YouTube videos. But if you want my knowledge, I uploaded more than 10-20 hours of content already in the community. You can join there, and you can explore everything which will help you to solve speech problem. All the links are in description box. Thank you so much for watching. And when you subscribe to the channel, you will get notification when we upload the new video. So thank you so much. I will see you now in the next video. Thanks for watching.